that's right, yeah.
Yeah, I remember you last time you shoot all the videos.
Oh yeah, that's right. You can see it on the...
Yeah, you're a professional photographer.
She's videoing here everything anyway.
I'm new at it though, so...
Is it going live onto YouTube or...?
Oh no, I'll edit it. I'll edit it. But I'll certainly put it up on the meetup as a file, yeah.
I usually, if I video something, I put a link to the YouTube.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's much better, yeah.
Oh, what?
Sorry?
YouTube.
Yeah.
I never know how to use it. I really want to learn it.
Oh, go sign
yeah,
up.
Sign up, yeah.
And then just say download or upload. You don't have to. Just sign up and there'll be a button that says upload video. Click on it and then upload the video file. So any file you take from the phone, you just upload it.
Video. Well, I've got the one that I have with the little tripod. Yeah. But this I got from K-Mart yesterday because I was looking at the GoPro, but the GoPro is like $300. Yeah. This was $49 plus the little card. So I thought it's like a little toy, but if it works,
yeah, it makes some more videos.
It takes the video and has it on. Yeah. Hopefully it's straight.
Sorry?
Hopefully this one's straight. Yeah, it's okay, cool. Yeah. I like the videos, so...
Okay. Do you get some motion sickness, like will you play it back, or...?
No, well this is the first time I'm wearing this one.
Oh, okay.
So, and then the other one I can put on the thing and... Yeah. See how we go. It's all a learning experience. Oh, I hope that butterfly's on there.
Yeah, honey.
Yeah. I must ask what time he stays till.
Over here till about 4.
About 4? Okay, I might grab someone on the way out. If we're supposed to be back by 3, so...
Okay, yep.
So...
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. The honey guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to put them in my pack again?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just behind my jacket should be alright.
Okay.
That little spot there. I've done this walk before, it's pretty good. Yeah.
So it's mostly downhill and then...
Yeah, it's mostly downhill.
Yep.
And then up, well, we're coming back a way that I haven't come back before.
It's like a circuit, isn't it?
So, yeah, that's what Joe's taken us on, a circuit. I've done the down and back, and I've done the down off to Ulula Falls and back up to Waterfall.
Oh, okay.
So this is going to be, this part I've seen, but I'm looking forward to seeing the next part, the Kangaroo Creek part of it. Oh,
Right? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just branching. Because with the duck bill on my hat, I often miss those.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the ground where I'm putting my feet, so I end up missing the eye level stuff.
Is the camera heavy?
On the head, no, this one's really light. Yeah. Like I said, I had a look at the GoPro, but they're like, the cheapest GoPro is $300. And then you've still got to get probably the memory cards and what have you. This was $49 at K-Mart, but I had to buy a mini SD card, but it's still under $100.
Where did you buy it from?
K-Mart.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I had a look online. A guy in Manila has it on a bike, and it shows it's quite good quality. I did a quick walk around the neighbourhood yesterday.
Yep.
You pick up all the birds, which is what I want.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so, you know, for what it is, I call it my little toy.
Yeah.
But, you know, if it does what I want, it's worth the money. Yeah, and it comes with 4 different stand things, and it comes with a waterproof case as well.
Wow.
So, yeah.
You photocopy, it had like a price tag on it though. I thought I saw a few people with a price tag on there. So.
Not because it was photocopy.
No, but an actual price sticker on it. Sure.
She would have bought hers, yeah.
Okay.
give it back to you. I think it's something. Use it by the wall and throw it on it again.
No money owed by anyone. The only thing I want back, I tried to buy more with it.
You had to buy more.
Oh.
I thought
Good. It's oh, nearly. It's close to home. Close enough to home to be a do again. Hey, yeah, we're here. So
Oh wow, okay.
it's less than an hour and 5. There you go.
Is that a bungalow?
Oh wow.
Oh, I thought there was a roof there, that rock.
No.
Like a bungalow? Like a
No.
small bungalow?
No. There's a few different ways across. I think this is the best one.
It's so clear.
Oh, it's just amazing, this place. Yeah, just look at that.
Wow.
Oh, I'm gonna get my camera out. Have I got my camera in my back pocket? Yeah. One day I'm gonna come down and go along there as well. So I'm trying to keep my eye out for different.
Spots.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
no worries.
they haven't stopped here.
Oh, they're all spread out.
What's it doing?
How many people are there? So many people. Do you want us a picture?